What's good, sneakerheads? Welcome back to another episode of Shoe Talk. I'm J300, and today, as you can see, we have a special holiday shoe on hand. Today we have the Nike SB KRAMPUS Dunk Lows that we'll be reviewing. Before we get to this review, make sure to check for the Air Jordan 12 Taxi review that's already out. I'll also check on the Air Jordan 4 Black Cat review and unboxing. That video is also out as well. And we have another video. Be careful with this one. We have two videos on the way. First, we have the unboxing of the 2025 Air Jordan 8 Bugs Bunny. And we also have a comparison video of the Air Jordan 8 from 1993, which is this pair, versus the 2025 pair to go over the differences and the changes. So be on the lookout for those. Make sure you get subscribed. And let's get into the review. Start with the box. Comes in the purple, regular SB box. Show you the whole box. The size tag says DK Smoke Gray, Campfire Orange. All right. So like I say, regular Nike SB. I'm gonna show you the paper because it's kind of cool. So it comes wrapped like this. Nice design. I think it resembles coal. It says Nike SB on the paper. Comes with this wrap too. So like I said, purple box. We got the purple SB box. And we're gonna start with the midsole. Comes with like an orange, burnt orange, kind of red looking midsole, like outsole, but it's a translucent outsole. Then you come here with you got this like this rubber looking theme on the midsole. Then you got cracked leather all the way around the shoe, all across the shoe. Give it that aged look, that cracked look. And I heard this shoe looks, I don't know how accurate it is. I'm not into Krampus or anything like that. I never watched the movie or anything, but I believe it resembles the burning coal. Like the whole shoe's supposed to resemble coal. Then you got a woven tongue right here. It says Nike SB. On the back of the tongue, it says not surprised. Woven tongue, and the sock lining is kind of firm material in there, but it's on the back of both of them. I'll show you both of them. Even the cracked leather's on the swoosh. Try to get up close, show you all the material. Comes with extra laces, comes with these orange laces. Just one set of laces with these. You get the tag with Krampus on there, grinning like he's up to something. Then you got the to and from tag, to you and from Nike SB. So this is one of the holiday dunks coming out this year. The other one will be the Nardwar. We will be reviewing those as well. We take out the insoles for you. It comes with regular tissue paper on the inside. All right. So this is the insole. Like I said, once again, you got Krampus grinning on there. Got this on the back. But I think it's also a lump of coal. See what the other one has on it. This is the second Nike SB Dunk Krampus to release. The first one came out back in 2012 as a Dunk High. And this one is on this one, it features the naughty list. And on this one, it features a lump of coal. So left insole, Nautilus, right insole, lump of coal, Krampus on this one. They just got the Zoom, Nike SB, the Zoom on this one. But I think it's a lot of detail on this shoe. I think it's very creative for SB. SBs are not dead by any means. The hype may be, but the SB is not dead. So buy what you like. Personally, I'll see what happens on this shoe. I wouldn't mind copping this shoe. It's not on my list, so as of right now, I do plan on getting the Nardwuar SBs instead. So, like I said, this shoe will be released in November 29th at skate shops and on sneakers or Nike, whichever one. I think it's gonna be on sneakers. So if you can catch these, I say check them out, cop these. If you're in for the holiday, you wanna get a shoe for the holiday, this is a good shoe. But once again, this has been another episode of Shoe Talk. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to the page, comment below what you think about the SB Krampus, what you think about go watch the Black Cat video, as I said. And we have the Taxi 12 video out as well. Leave your comments on those. Did you cop the Taxi 12s? Are you copping Black Cats? Both of these come out. This one comes out the day after Black Friday. This one comes out Black Friday. So, and we do have the Air Jordan 8 video, the Bugs Bunny 8s coming out. So we might wait a while to post that one because it seems like y'all don't want to see the shoes too early. I might wait till it get closer. So just leave comments below and see you next time.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio, they say my style is original. I'm getting